Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate AI images in Canva using Magic Media. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then create a new design or open an existing project. On the left side of the screen, click Magic Media. This is Canva's AI image generation tool that allows you to create original images from a simple text prompt. Make sure the Images tab is selected. Now in the prompt box, type a description of the image you want to create. For this example, I'll type a modern blue technology background with glowing lights. After entering the prompt, click Generate. Canva AI will take a few moments to understand your request and generate several unique images based on your description. As you can see, Canva has created multiple AI-generated images. You can browse through the different results and choose the one that best fits your project. To use an image, simply click on it, and Canva will automatically add it to your design. You can resize the image, move it to any position, rotate it, or combine it with text, icons, and other design elements to create a professional design. If you're not happy with the results, you can edit your prompt to make it more specific and click Generate again to receive a new set of AI-generated images. Magic Media is a great tool for creating custom graphics without searching for stock photos. It helps save time and lets you create unique visuals for YouTube thumbnails, banners, presentations, social media posts, posters, and much more. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now know how to generate AI images in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.